up, YouTube? This is John Steele from Redneck City, and I'm here with a new project I've been working on. In the last video you seen where I started working on the racing mower. This isn't it. This is my regular mowing mower. Just right now I've got the deck off. But I've been trying out some different ideas with the exhaust. Right now currently I have the engine blown on the Murray racing mower, so right now she's just kind of sitting over there doing nothing but supporting some old wood. But I'm hoping within the next couple of weeks I'll be able to have a new engine on her. I'm hoping we'll get a Kawasaki engine put on it, preferably a 30 horsepower or bigger. And if I have to, go for the colors, but I'm not too much of a fan of them just because of how hard it can be to fine tune them. But right now I've currently got an exhaust set up that I just took an old weed eater shaft. I took and bent it into shape how I needed it to. Took an old exhaust pipe that screws right into where your exhaust screws into on your engine, and I took and bent that weed eater shaft right back in here, coming out. Then another exhaust piece that bolts into it, and I took and welded all that together, those two places. And I've just got thin wire cable holding that up on there for right now, so I can make a bracket. But so far it sounds pretty good. In my opinion, it sounds almost like a Harley engine. I'd like to sound perfectly like that, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get that kind of effect unless I can find a old Harley exhaust for a good price. So I'll fire it up for y'all and let you hear her. So far, I think I like that setup. Now I've got another pipe that I've got welded up that's sitting over here by the shed. I'll take you over here and let you see it. It's off of part of it. I think it's the glass pack kind of style. I'm not really for sure because I'm not too well in the knowledge of what certain exhaust pieces are. But a while back on the racing mower, I had this sitting on there. Took something off an old I think it's off of some kind of water pump or something like that. I stuck it on there, and I took and cut off an elbow bracket out of part of the exhaust pipe that went to this originally. I took and cut off the little end on it. I'll show you what it looked like. I got another one like it sitting right here. That little piece right there, I took and just cut that off, and took and welded it together right there, as you can see. I left these sensors in there just to seal the hole because I don't have anything else to do it with. And I took and left everything inside there, left the shield on because I didn't want to fool with that and have it rub against anything and get it hot. But it sounds awesome with that. I'll even fire it up off that other exhaust pipe and let y'all hear how it sounds. I think it sounds awesome. I'd rather have this on exhaust setup than what I've got right now. I'll set y'all right here. I'll point the exhaust right at you so y'all can hear it. Actually, I guess I'll move y'all on over. Y'all can see this a little better. I'll get it fired up real quick. I have this on low idle so y'all can hear her. You can tell, you can probably hear the difference in sound. Is way different. I'd like to have that exhaust piece off the Spore, an 04 Explorer, Ford Explorer, 4x4. I'd like to have that on the racing bar when I get a new engine put on it, and I'll probably get a twin cylinder engine and put it on there and run a dual pipe system to that, and hopefully that'll work. But we'll see how it goes.